Hey everyone, so here is another favorite recipe of our household, Pudina Pulao. So let's begin. Here are some of the veggies that I add in: some onions, carrots, beans. You can add in more veggies of your choice. And then some green chilies, ginger garlic paste, fresh pudina leaves or mint leaves, fresh green peas, cashews. I think they taste wonderful in this. Bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves, cumin seeds, cardamom pods, red chili powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. These are the ground and whole spices that you will need. For rice, I'm going to be using Jeera or Govindo Bhog rice. You can get this from Amazon, it has wonderful flavor. Before we start off, let's make the ground masala for the rice. To the grinding jar, I'll be adding some pudina leaves, some of the chopped onions, few cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves. Add little bit of water and grind this to a fine paste. Remove this in a bowl and keep this aside. This is best done in a pressure cooker as it is quick. To this, add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let that heat up. Once the ghee is hot, add in all the whole spices. Next, add in the remaining chopped onions and fry them for 5 minutes. Next, add in the ginger garlic and let that fry for another 2 minutes. Now add in the cashews. Next, I'm going to add in the chopped carrots, beans and peas. Fry these veggies, cover with a lid. Let this cook for 5 minutes. Next, add in the chopped green chilies and give it a stir. Next, add in the ground masala paste. Mix that well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Close with a lid. To this, add in all the grounded spice, mix well and let this cook for another 5 minutes. Next, add in the salt. Next, add in the washed rice. Fry the rice with this veggies masala for another 5 to 10 minutes. This will help bring out the flavor from the rice. Next, add in the required amount of water for the rice to cook. And add in the remaining mint leaves or Pudina leaves. This will give a nice mint flavor to the rice. Let this pressure cook for 2 whistles on high flame. Then switch off the gas and let it cool down. Oh wow, look at that. I wish you could smell the flavor through the video. Now I'll gently mix the rice. Best to do this with a silicone spatula so that we don't break the rice. And it's ready to serve. Have this on a weekday or a weekend. It's one pot recipe for lunch or dinner. It's best served with some curd raita or masur bhaji. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in my next. Bye bye.